Want to create a charming Christmas tree decor piece using dollar store finds? Let's make this budget-friendly and beautiful craft together. First, we'll lay out our Jenga blocks into a Christmas tree shape. I'm using parchment paper underneath so I don't have to worry about any blocks sticking as I glue. This part is like a fun puzzle. Just arrange them until you find a tree design you love. Next, grab some wood glue and start securing each piece together. Be sure to keep a rag or paper towel on hand to wipe away any excess glue as you go. This will help keep your project neat. Once done, let it dry completely. Now that our tree is glued together and dry, it's time to add some color. Pick your favorite holiday paint and cover the entire tree. Once dry, add a layer of Mod Podge to seal and protect the paint, keeping it from chipping. To give the tree a rustic touch, we'll wrap some twine around the trunk. This adds some great texture and a cozy vibe. Use a hot glue gun and add a little bit of glue as you're wrapping the twine to ensure that it stays in place. And now it's time to decorate. I used some gem stickers from Walmart to add sparkle, but you could also use pearl stickers from the Dollar Tree. Place them as ornaments all over the tree to give it that festive charm. To finish, we'll make a simple stand using 2 more Jenga blocks. Just glue them to the back and now we have a stand for our tree. And there you have it, a Dollar Tree Jenga block Christmas tree that brings holiday cheer to any room. Let me know in the comments what holiday designs you're trying this year. For more fun do-it-yourself tutorials like this one, click this playlist here, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting!